Hello viewers, I am Dr. Suma. I am a consultant working at 49 Fertility Center, Vijayawada branch. Today I am going to speak on a very important topic, PCOD. PCOD is nothing but polycystic ovarian disease. It is a very common hormonal problem encountered in many reproductive women. So PCOD is a problem wherein the lady has a genetic tendency, and due to some lifestyle changes, a hormonal imbalance sets in, as a result of which she faces a lot of symptoms that are related to PCOD. So women who have this genetic tendency, whenever they put on weight, whenever they feel too stressed, or whenever they don't eat the right food, definitely there are chances that PCOD can set in, because the hormonal imbalance will come into place. As a result of this, they experience various symptoms. The first most common symptoms that a woman experiences is irregular periods. So most often these women have delayed cycles, so they can have cycles at around 45 days or 2 months or sometimes even 3 months. And some women don't get their cycles without using any medications. That is, they get only withdrawal cycles to pills. The second most common symptoms that women experience is symptoms related to excess androgen hormones in their body. So these are something like acne, hirsutism, some symptoms related to hyperpigmentation, patches on the skin, so on and so forth. So these are all hyperandrogenic symptoms. And the third important thing is infertility. So because these women don't get regular periods, they don't have regular ovulation. As a result of this, because there is no ovulation, there can be delayed cycles or there can be absent cycles, as a result of which they have no chances of getting pregnancy. Some women have delayed ovulation, but delayed ovulation will obviously reduce the chances of pregnancy. So in a woman who is ovulating regularly every month and getting cycles every month, she has a good chance of getting pregnancy when compared to a woman who is ovulating once in 2 to 3 months because of PCOD. So all in all, PCOD is a metabolic problem which can definitely affect the fertility of a female. But this doesn't mean that a woman with PCOD cannot become pregnant. So many women often think that because they're getting irregular cycles, in no way they can get pregnant, and they need to first regularize their cycles. So of course, getting their cycles regularly is a good sign of fertility, but even women with irregular cycles can sometimes conceive naturally. So ovulation being delayed, sometimes when the husband wife have intercourse at the time of ovulation, they can still get pregnant. But compared to a woman who's ovulating regularly and getting periods regularly, the chances of getting pregnant naturally is definitely on the lower side. Can something be done? Of course, yes. So lifestyle modification is the biggest thing that can help a woman with PCOS. With simple lifestyle modifications, she can herself regulate her hormones, get regular cycles, and get pregnant naturally. So PCOD doesn't mean that she can never get pregnant. The treatment is extremely simple, but more important than the treatment is simple lifestyle modification, which can empower her to get pregnant naturally without any doctor's consultation. Thank you.